There's a pair of the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. I'm going to show you how to take the lenses out and put them back in. Okay, so it's very simple. So you basically can pop these out. You want to pop it out that way. And when we put it back on, we want to put it on this way. Okay, so let's take out this lens first. The easiest way I find to do it is if I start pressing around here. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 fingers, kind of holding the frame and kind of press out. First time you do this, it's going to be a little bit hard, but it's kind of just like that. Now you can see it's out a little bit right there, and voila. And then when you put this in, I start off on the nose. Okay, there's like a groove inside here. Just start off on the nose area. Just kind of get that in a little bit as best you can. And then from here, once you get that little nose part in, start working your way up, trying to pop it in, okay? So, all right. There we go. This side now, let's go ahead and do this one as well. Just going to go ahead and press about right around here somewhere. There we go. It's out. Now we're going to put it in. We're going to try to pop it in that nose side first over here. Again, you got those grooves in there. Kind of like try to place it in there as best as you can first. And then start from the bottom and start popping it in. Oops. Sometimes it takes a couple times to do it. Okay, boom. Make sure it's nice and tight. Pretty simple.